Okay, let's see if we can make this turn up a treat. Right. I wonder how big we're going to make it. Going to make it either 141.4 or we're going, in this case, 200. This one's going to be a little bit tricky. I think the contrast could go less contrasty, and we're going to lighten it up that far. We're not going all the way light. We're just going here. We're just going to set this silly thing up. Alright, let's see what we have. We're photocopying something nice. It is a pair of shorts. Okay, a pair of jogging shorts, I suppose. We're going to photocopy the back of them, it'd be easier. We're going to photocopy the, lightning dry. Very nice. So I'm thinking it's going to be this side with these nice patterns. So I'm going to put that on the glass like so. So I'm just going to put it on upside down like that. And hopefully we won't get the seam of the pants on the copy. So let's see how we go with this. I'm going to start with 200%, see how that goes. Alright, let's see how that looks. Oh, that looks interesting. It's not the greatest. I think we could do a lot better than that, to be honest. Maybe we can decide to lessen the enlargement significantly. Let's see how that goes. I had a gut feeling we were going to run with a smaller enlargement than 200 because we want to capture more of the pattern on there. Anyway, that looks quite nice. There's a nice pattern in there, nice motley sort of arrangement. Don't like it still, but then those lines look good. So, I'm wondering what that black stuff is. Doesn't look all that good. I'm wondering if we're going to improve on it. I'm going to improve on it, folks. I'm going to make it look even better. So hopefully I can make it look better. So I'm going to make this a lot nicer. So I'm just turning it around again, just a little bit, moving it around. It's not easy getting a good look with this. Then you might regret moving it, and then you got to start again and try and find another good composition as good as the original composition that you were being fussy about. Anyway, that does look a bit more interesting. Wondering what that black area is, what these black voids are. But that looks good. Wondering if we're going to leave it like that. Don't know what to do with it, folks. We're going to see how we go. Alright, we're going to try again. We're going to fucking try again, folks. And we're going to just lighten off the exposure a bit. I'm going to make the light copy density lighter. And we're just going to, once again, I don't know where those black voids are. There's probably those things there. So maybe we could enlarge it a bit bigger and get rid of those voids. So we can just go on the horizontal and enlarge more on the horizontal to get rid of them. So we're going to go 100 and going to go 200 for the horizontal, and for the vertical we're going to keep it on that. So we're going to do a bit of creative license here with this pants. these shorts and see what happens. This is an interesting experiment. And yeah, that looks a lot better now. We got rid of the void bits. We've got a little bit of a void there, but that's all right. And I think the stretching has actually improved the composition of the image. So I'm wondering where our centre is going to be for this job. If that's going to be the centre of our job. We've got this nicely angled, so I'm thinking it should be all right as we have it. So we're just going to print that off. So it looks like we've decided to compromise on the enlargement. It's not the greatest. I'm actually wondering if I should darken it again or whether lightening it was a good idea. I don't know if I like that colour scheme in the middle there, that voidish looking. It's not quite a void, it's got colour in it. It's not just a black hole like I just showed on the other copies. Anyway, we're going to print this off as we are. And we're just going to put in our original size. And we're just going to go and hit the mirror image key. And then, oops, we've got to add two copies, and then that's pretty much it. I'm glad I had a look at the original and see where the voids were, where the black areas were, and it was good that I was able to enlarge them off, in my opinion. So I'll just move that out of the way. We're just going to line these up. So let's see how this looks as a mirror image. Oops, I just nudged it. Damn, I hate it when I do that. Clumsiness. Just line these up. That's that. And we're just going to line up these ones. I think that's good enough. There you have it. Now that looks quite nice actually. I think quite brilliant almost. I think now we can call it quits.